All right, we left Munising. We're traveling along the Lake Superior shore. Show them the shore, Susie. I think I just saw a bald eagle fly by. And we are going down the road, and all of a sudden our brake thing just stopped working. It beeped very lowly and said that it needed to be reset. So that was crazy. And then when I went back there, the back rear window of the car was down. So we evidently bumped that. We were doing something. And the radio was connected again, so I had to turn that off. So it's always something. Otherwise, we're doing pretty good. Thankfully, it quit raining when we packed up. And it's cloudy, but I don't think it's supposed to rain anymore as we head further west. We're heading to Houghton, Hancock, going to the Houghton City RV Park, and we'll be there for 2 weeks. We had a great time here at Munising. I was reluctant to go on that Picture Rocks cruise because of how crowded it was going to be, but we picked a perfect time. The ship was probably only a fourth full, and I got tons of good video and pictures, which I'm sure you've already seen. Okay, that's enough for now. Check it out.
Take me to the ruins.
They had the blast through the road.
Baby ferns and curling.
Right.
Every living thing.
The middle branch of the left fork
Me a
of the
mother.
Escanaba River.
Both hands
I got the only part I got was Escanaba River.
show me faded color. Fields of chamomile. All at once in a dream. We are together. You could call it a vision or tether. All at once I can see it put back together. You could call it a vision or a tether.
800 feet, you're
Take me
arriving
to
at destination.
the jungle.
Here, where he's supposed to
Teach me tiger law.
This is just the
Read to me a poem. Sing to you a
up
song.
here, almost.
Drunk in my devotion. Laid out on your chest.
Quickly.
You could call it a vision.
Okay, we're here at the Houghton, Hancock, Houghton City RV Park. It's a nice little park, and show you our campsite here. This site backs up right to the water, and we have quite a bit of room between campsites. We're tucked in here between a couple trees, and come out here, got a little covered shed, and here you can see that we're right to the shoreline of this waterway. It comes out, and there's a beach right there. Kids playing volleyball, and we put the Starlink up on the grill. We never use the grill, so neighbors on the other side. Okay, we're going to go check out another waterfall here just outside of Hancock, Michigan. Going down a trail, hoping it's the right way. As usual, you drive out in the middle of nowhere and there's always a million people because everybody wants to see the waterfall. We're on the Keweenaw Peninsula. Okay. The moss. Now, to climb back up out of here. Susie's waiting up there. I don't know if you can see her. There, up there. Now I gotta climb all the way back up. It's gonna be fun.
Well, I left Chattanooga, boy, had $1 and a dime. Headed out for Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and learned to rob and steal. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel.
Continue on Michigan 26 north for 5 miles.
Been saving every penny for to make up through the fall. Working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. Coming around the river bank where the old train whistle sang. The very next thing you hear from me, I've been tied to a ball and chain.
Okay, we decided to come up Copper Harbor and come up to Brockway Mountain here. It's gorgeous. It's a Saturday, so there's lots of people. So we tried to stop at the jam spot, and there was a million people there in line. I didn't want to wait in line. And you can see it's all peoply up here. And there is Lake Superior. Beautiful lake here, and then you come over here and we're at the historic fort. History is about to come alive. Bakery, it's the bakehouse, and they got a ton of fake loaves of bread. Conk, conk. This place is the bomb.
Go back and forth in the classes.
It's the officers' quarter.
I walk all the way up the stairs to this. Get up there. I like it. Hold in the
Okay, we came over here to McLean State Park. It's on the north side of the waterway by... Nice day in the shade, it's almost cool. flowers with balls on the end. Lots of birch trees in here.